Okay, after receiving the boss link, everyone will copy and paste it outside the browser. Then I will click on the S Messenger to connect it with my Telegram. Then my Telegram will show this Kieran B tone. Everyone will click start to help me. Then I will click on the word wallet. I will click on the word wallet. It shows me 24 characters. Then after that, I will go to my Tongue Kipper wallet, and then I will click on this wallet line. It will present the wallet settings section. I will click here. Then done. I will copy the 1224 characters, paste them here, then click continue. It will generate the wallet address. It will get the wallet linked on my T-Chain B. Then ENAP informs XLU again. This is the wallet it will be linked with. This is the wallet that will link to my twin account so I can trade. Be aware that I will have the 24 myself. I will save it in the mail or something like that, and I will delete it on Telegram. When someone has my 24 characters, they can access my wallet, so I'll delete it on the boss. I'll save it outside, okay?